new slime. It's so cute. It's so beautiful. Literally, this is ridiculously non-stop to play with. Wow. This is slime. The other slimes that I made, they did not work out. So, this is beautiful. I like this actually. This is better than the other slimes that I've made. Because you can poke it and get your hands all glittery. See, my hands are all glittery. But still, you get time to play with it. So, it's ridiculously non-stop playing. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and comment, subscribe, and I will be sure to answer all your comments. So yeah.